Oh no, you would like to download this mental stability killer game. I will warn you first, suffering and addiction that will be given by this game is not worth it. But if you still want to, I will show you how to install League of Legends. So firstly, go to your browser and search for League of Legends. Click on first link and press on play now in right top corner. Now it's very important to select correct region near you, so your ping would be lower. Select region closest to you. Then if you don't have account, you need to enter your email and press start. I already have account and 10 years of addiction, so I will press on click to download. Double check if selected region is correct and press on download. Downloading process will begin. After it's finished, locate installer and proceed with installation process. After it's completed, you need to log into your account. Agree with terms and services and installation process will prompt again. When it's done, press on play. And now updating will start, and only when it's finished you can start playing. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.